When I started to love myself, I realized that emotional suffering and pain were signs that I was going against my own truth. Today I know that is genuineness. When I started to love myself, I understood how insulting it was to try to impose my own desires on others, even when I knew it was just not the right time and just not ready for it, and even when that person was me. Today, I call that respect. When I began to love myself, I stopped yearning for a different life, and I could see everything around me as an opportunity to grow. Today I call it maturity. When I began to love myself, I understood that no matter what, I was in the right place at the right time, and everything was happening at the right moment, so I could be still. Today, I call this confidence. When I began to love myself, I stopped stealing my time and stopped designing huge projects for the future. Today I only do things that bring joy and happiness, things that I want to do, things that make my heart sing, and I do them in my own way, at my own pace. Today, I call this simplicity. When I began to love myself, I freed myself from anything that was not healthy for me. Food, people, things, situations, and everything that pulled me down and away from myself. I used to call it a healthy ego attitude. Today I call it self-love. When I began to love myself, I gave up being right, and I have been wrong less and less since then. Today, I have discovered that it is humility. When I began to love myself, I refused to live in the past and worry about the future. Now I live only in the present moment where everything is happening. Today I live each day like that, and I call it living to the fullest.